Hello, I'm Design Guy. Want to create a standout cover in Canva? I'll guide you through every step. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Choose any dimensions you want. Next, go to Elements and search for designs to use on your cover page. For example, our cover page features either a concert or a sports theme. Look for the specific graphic design. Let's create one ourselves now. Click Magic Recommendation, then select the four elements shown here. Set this image as the background display. Type words or elements to use when creating your cover page next. Type firewood and scroll down to find an option like bonfire. Then, proceed to the next step as needed. Type leaf element in the search bar and press enter. Enlarge the leaf to fit the background. Next, click position, then go to layers. Select one part of the leaf and make it smaller. Now, search for photos and animated characters by typing travelers. Select graphic as the image type to filter the results. Next, search for barbecue to find related images. Use these filters to locate suitable graphics efficiently. Click position, then go to layers. Move the barbecue layer on top of the others. You can also add additional layers or elements as needed. You can add up to 10 camping elements in this area. Additionally, insert a signboard to enhance the scene. Finally, add text to the signboard to provide information or labels as needed. This allows for clear communication within your design. Use these features to customize and organize your camping setup efficiently. Select the carpet texture and place it in the desired area. Next, move the text layer so it appears on top of this element. Adjust the positioning to ensure the text is clearly visible above the carpet background. This creates a layered effect with the text overlaying the carpet. Add the text, then insert three elements. Click position and select align to back to arrange them behind the text. Add a river element to this area now. Remove the background by selecting the object and applying the background removal tool. Send this element and the tree, then add some animals to the scene. Add the squirrel and the bird to the scene by selecting their icons from the library and placing them where you want. Adjust their size and position as needed for the desired effect. You can add various elements, including light elements and light effects, to enhance your project and create dynamic visual interest. Set the transparency level to 70. After finalizing your design, click Share, then Download. Choose to save your image as a PDF, print it, or send it to a printer. Once ready, click Download to save your file. Now you know how to design a cover in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.